Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to baking pistachio brownies. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this. 100 gram pistachios, 100 gram butter, 100 gram sugar, 1 egg, 150 gram flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt and edible green color. In a bowl, add your butter. Butter should be soft and it should be in a room temperature. To the bowl, I'm adding butter with sugar. And a separate bowl, I keep the sieve and adding flour and pinch of salt along with the baking powder. And here I took pistachio with the shell and I remove the shell. After that I weigh out, then chop into the pieces. Now I'm going to add the vanilla into a butter and sugar bowl and start to beat. I'm beating the butter until it turns pale color. Make sure to scrape off the bowl once or twice. Now I'm adding 1 egg and going to beat it. You can see it's rich and creamy texture. At this stage, I'm going to add edible color and with the spatula, I'm going to mix thoroughly. At this stage, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. Once I add the dry ingredients, I start to mix all the ingredients thoroughly. You can see it's kind of soft dough, and don't forget to scrape off the bowl. In the end, I'm going to add all the chopped pistachios. I reserve 1 or 2 tablespoons of pistachio for the garnishing. Now take a baking tray with a grease-proof paper or silicone sheet. Scoop your doughs equal portions. I'll make 12 cookies in this dough. Finally garnish with the reserved pistachio onto the cookies. Bake these cookies at 180 about 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure every oven is vary, so it can be changed depending on your oven temperature and the time as well. Once it's done, keep it onto the cooling rack. You can see it's baked well. Compared to the normal cookies, it looks like a little bit different texture and definitely you will love it. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Chef Naz.